Hello, today start with science 8th standard activity sheet 24 as a day 24. See, let's understand formation of star, sky watching on constellations. Reference 7th standard chapter 20 in the words of stars. Learning outcomes makes efforts to remove microconception related to zodiac sign and nakshatra by observing the sky. Let's take a look. Stars are born out of nebula. Nebular cloud made up mainly of hydrogen gas and dust particles. See the diagram. Nebula as two parts are divided as ordinary star and massive star. As ordinary star as go on red giant star and palindrome nebula, and there are the white dwarf. Is a massive stars is a next is a division of the red super giant star, and next is a supernova, and there are the two division neutron star and black holes. Next बघा sky watching. The sky seems to be touching the ground. The lines at which they meet is called of horizon. While turning around oneself, one horizon will be seen to form a circle. The star and planet moving in the sky appear to be moving on the sphere. This virtual sphere is called the central spheres. See the diagram of the virtual sphere. See the zenith. Zenith, while standing on the ground, the point on the celestial sphere exactly above our head, it is called a zenith. Nadir, while standing on the ground, the point on the central sphere exactly below our feet is called their nadir. Is a celestial pole. If we extend this axis of rotation of the earth in the north and south direction, it will penetrate the central sphere, the point called the central north pole and the central south pole respectively. As a constellations, a group of stars occupying a small portion of the central sphere is called as constellation. Western observers have divided the central sphere into 88 constellations. Assistant Western astronomers put forward an idea of the 12 zodiac signs, whereas Indian astronomers suggested the 27 nakshatras. Zodiac sign. The elliptic has been imagined to be divided into 12 equal parts. Thus, each part substance 30 degrees at the center of the central sphere. Each of these parts is called as Rashi or zodiac signs. Nakshatra. The moon complete on one revolution around the earth is approximately 27.3 days. The proportion transferred by the moon in one day is called a nakshatra. So if we divided 360 degree into 27 equal parts, each part is about 30 degree and 20 minutes. A nakshatra is known from biggest star that contains. This biggest star is called a Yog Tara. Getting to know some consolation. Saptarashi. It is group of 7 bright stars. It is in the shape of quadrangle with the tail made up of 3 stars. It thus resembles a kite and can be easily recognized if we extend one side of the quadrangle. It reaches the pole star or Polaris. Next, Sharmista. If the made up of 5 bright stars which are distributed along the figure of the letter M, the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the third and fourth star in Sharmista goes toward the pole star. Next, third, Murg Nakshatra or Orion. It has 7 to 8 stars, of which 4 at the corner of a quadrangle. The line passing through the 3 middle stars of the constellation when extend meet a very brighter star. This is Ved or Sirius. Next, Ruchik or Scorpio. It is constellation with 10 to tell a star. Jesta or Anthers is the biggest among them. As the Earth change its position, a different constellation of zodiac sign or Rashi appear behind the sun. For example, of Makar Sankranti, we say that the sun enter Makar Rashi as Capricorn zodiac sign. And then let's practice. Let's practice question first. Complete the table. Galaxy and constellation. See, galaxy, it is a collection of billions of stars. Constellation, a group of stars occupying a small portion. Next, a galaxy. Galaxy to the shape: spiral galaxy, elliptical galaxy, irregular galaxy, barred galaxy. The constellation. Second, it forms the shape of an animal or an object. Third, galaxy, there is a many such galaxy in the universe. Constellation, there are only 88 constellation known so far. The next question, complete the following. See, first, A, number of stars in Saptarashi constellation. Answer is 7 star. Next, B, total nakshatra. There is answer 27 nakshatra. C, number of star in a Mrug nakshatra or Orion. D, total zodiac sign. As a 7 to 8 star and 12 zodiac sign. Next, E, number of star Urchi constellation as a 10 to 12 stars. Next, a number of stars in Sharmishta constellation is a 5 stars. नंतर नेक्स्ट बघा थर्ड क्वेश्चन. ड्रॉ अ लाईन जॉइनिंग द ब्राईट स्टार इन द शर्मिष्ठा constellation. The Sharmishta constellation is a M shape seen a point joining. Thank you watching my video. Subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.